In this video, we'll talk about the Mask network again after some very bullish momentum the last 2 days. We'll talk about if we can get up even more or basically what's going to happen next. So let's get right into it. First of all, good morning. Hope you're all having a great start of this weekend. It's good to see you all back. Covered Mask a lot when it was very bullish. And ever since, let's be honest, Mask has been a great hold compared to other cryptos. It kind of depends on where you bought, obviously, but overall it has been a great hold because we've actually been holding our the levels we dropped down to fairly well, which you cannot say for a lot of cryptos. So that's amazing. Now, we had a lot of bullish momentum starting yesterday morning. Big reason for that is that Mask is heavily correlated with Dogecoin, and Dogecoin was very bullish because of reasons we're not sure about. And therefore, I'm also not sure about why Mask is bullish. Excuse me, I'm a little bit sick. Hopefully I edited that out, but I might have forgot. But Mask itself, Doge also looks a little bit manipulated. I have to be honest, Mask also does. Mask itself is a legit project with a lot of utility and value, I think. But altogether, if you take a look at these moves, alright, it doesn't look that manipulated compared to Dogecoin, but usually when you see this, like these bumps in the road, it's not a bullish thing. And we already started right here where we, we added like 20 million in a matter of 15 minutes. It looks quite manipulated, in my opinion. Now, that isn't necessarily a bad thing, because that could also mean that we go up even more. But that does make analyzing a little bit harder. I have to be honest about that. I found analyzing Mask particularly hard, because if you zoom into the, I think we have to zoom into the 1 hour time frame for a little bit. What you can see is that clearly we have broken the market structure and we are more bullish right now. Right now, you could say that, first of all, I mean, you could say that we're really doing the same as Dogecoin, by the way. But we found resistance first at 3.2 and now we're kind of dropping down. See, in my opinion, as long as we're above $3 and 2.9, we're still bullish, but I do think we'll drop down to that level. And there it's going to count, because if we find support there and manage to break above 3.15 from there, I actually think that we can get all the way up to 3.4 and 3.5. All right, so that would be my price target, first of all. I don't think we'll be able to, at least easily or without resistance, break above 3.5 and 3.4. So if we get there, I will surely make another update. But this is the scenario in which Mask could continue this bullish momentum. All right, so that we actually do break above 3.15 once more, and with that make kind of on the very short term a higher high. But on the other hand, as I said, I think we're dropping down. If we do not hold 2.9, if 2.9 as a support breaks, what will happen is that we'll take a break retest and drop down all the way to 2.7 and 2.6 again. And basically, I think from there we will continue some sort of a consolidation / uptrend. So it really is about that. I mean, it's hard to say at this point of time, because it's manipulated, it's hard to say, or at least I think it's manipulated in some sort of a way. And with that assumption, you can hardly say one of these two is more likely. It seems technically that this is more likely, so that we will get up to 3.4 and 3.5. But like my intuition is telling me no. So I would say this is the most likely scenario at this point of time, but it's about 2.9. If that breaks, it's over. So that's my take on Mask Network this early morning. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. If you want if you want to say something else as well, you're always welcome to. I'm always open to feedback, of course. But for now, take care. Have a great weekend.